Welcome everyone to our Crescent Nail Slicer Framing Blade demo. Today we'll be showcasing our brand new Crescent Nail Slicer Framing Blades against the competition. Talking to end users, we found that they are using framing blades for a lot of remodel applications and they're hitting nails expectedly and unexpectedly. So we're finding ways to overdrive that with our exclusive Crescent technology. And in this board right here, we have 32 stainless steel framing nails that will rip through. First we'll do it with the current market leader, and then we'll follow up with the Crescent Nail Slicer Framing Blade. So as you can see, after that aggressive test, it didn't make it all the way through the 32 stainless steel nails, and the carbide on the teeth is actually shearing off, so that's why the blade is no longer moving forward. Now we'll follow up that same cut with the Crescent Nail Slicer Framing Blade. Just like that, that's what you get out the Crescent Nail Slicer Framing Blade. All teeth are 100% still intact, very sharp, and ready to get more done. Thanks for stopping by to learn more about the Crescent Nail Slicer Framing Blade. Again, this blade is delivering 8x life and 70% more cuts per charge for demanding applications such as this.